What is up guys, in today's video I'm gonna tell you the best Google camera for the OnePlus 9R or any OnePlus 8T smartphone running Android, the Android 12.1 or the Oxygen OS 12.1. So first of all, you need to go in Google Chrome and then you need to search Gcam. Now this method is different from the earlier videos I showed, so make sure you just follow this method. You need to search and type here WICH, Wichaya. That is what you need to search. And then you need to go in this hellovozo.com and then you will find a lot of Gcams for the OnePlus smartphones. But the one you need to download right now is you need to download the 1.41, not the 1.5. Earlier we downloaded the 1.5, but it's not that good. So you need to tap on the 1.4 version, close all the ads which is coming, and then you need to download the Snap Cam. So just tap on it and then download anyway. So as you guys can see, the Snap Cam is downloading. So now you need to go back here. Now you need to go back and then you will see we have configs. Go in configs, tap on it. So it's gonna take a bit of time to load that configs file. Don't leave it. It's very useful for the Google camera to work. So let's just wait for it to open. As you guys can see, we have opened the configs file. So you need to scroll down and you will find a lot of OnePlus options. So as I told you, this video is for all the OnePlus devices. So ranging from OnePlus 7 to the OnePlus 9 Pro, which is really awesome. But right now we have the OnePlus 9R, but I'm not gonna use the OnePlus 9R file. I'm gonna use the OnePlus 8T file because this file is the best file which works really good in the OnePlus 8T as well as 9R. So once you have downloaded all these two stuff, you need to first open the Google camera and just tap on settings, give the permission to install, go back and install. So now this is the Google camera app which will be installed via the settings, and after that you need to open the app, right? And then you need to give all the permissions like give, and then you need to go in this and then you need to double tap here, but it's gonna say you don't have any configs. So what you need to do is you need to first swipe down, tap on settings, and then you need to scroll down. So once you scroll down, you find a lot of options, right? So you go in advanced devices. In advanced devices, you have this XML config. Tap on it and then you need to tap on import XML config. And here you need to tap on this OnePlus 8T. It's imported. Go back, go back, go back. And double tap. Okay, wait. Double tap and tap on update. So once you have done all of this, there you go. It's gonna work absolutely awesome. This Gcam support a lot of things. We have videos, and videos are gonna work in 4K, and 60 FPS is also supported, as you guys can see. So that is really awesome. And overall, the Google camera just performs really good in the OnePlus devices. So this is for all OnePlus device ranging from OnePlus 7 to OnePlus 9 Pro. What do you think about this video? Make sure you tell me in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe my channel for more videos like this. That's it. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Peace out.